Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another day, another vlog. Today is Friday and I am preparing for a short left. I'm going away with a group of ladies on a trip. It's a group trip called I forgot, something bubbles. Okay, it's called Bottomless Bubbles Breakaway. From today until Sunday. I'm going with my friend Atlahang. Yeah, guys, I am exhausted. It's currently 10:15. I haven't packed. I have so much to do. Last night I was washing my hair. I didn't get time, like not last night. I mean at 3 a.m. I was washing my hair. I had to do like makeshift wig lines. They are so bad. But they will do for the weekend. Then maybe when I come back on Sunday, depending what time I come back, I can go to the hair salon. Look, this is the state of my living room right now. I am yet to pack. At least the clothes are here. I have to put them away in the suitcase. I'm meeting everybody at what time? At 2 o'clock. Very far from me. I have to Uber there because I'm not driving. Still lots to do. Want to go to the shop quickly up the road. Maybe it's like 10 minutes from me. I need to go to the mall. I want to get a Hubley stove for the coal. So hopefully I get it. If I don't, then I won't take my Hubley. I must not forget it. Anyway, yeah, I'm babbling, wasting time. Let me get on with it. 11:15 and some progress is being made. At least some of the clothes are in there now. And I just want to say I washed my brushes last night. I am so tired. I did so much. Well, so let me pack my makeup now, shoes and toiletries. It is 1:45 and I'm done. My bag over there, it looks like it's about to explode. But it's fine. It's fine. I'm not flying. I'm not flying, so it should be fine. We're traveling by car. I had to leave a few things behind. A lot of things didn't fit. I'm such a heavy packer. Oh my gosh. So normally I travel with a suitcase and a carry-on. But today I didn't feel like doing that because I don't know about how much space the car that we'll be traveling with will have. So yeah, to minimize. So I literally have 2 like hand baggage carry-ons. Yeah. Anyway, this is my travel fit. I am wearing my New Balance sneakers. What is this? And Adidas track suit. Yeah. And this is me. I'm not wearing any makeup, just did my hair. We'll put makeup on when I get there. So I'm going to eat. I haven't eaten the whole morning. I've got like 15 minutes. Then I can call my Uber and then I'll head to where we are meeting up. Yeah, so let me eat and then head out.
Waste of words, waste of breath, 'cause I've got none to say. Thoughts they burn inside my chest. Can't take it one more day. No matter how much pain I'm in, no matter how, gotta think, I gotta breathe. Changes to come, 'cause the light's just around the corner. Life must go on. What won't kill me will make me stronger. When I'm falling down on my knees, I will rise and try.
are you?
Good, how are you?
Am I pouring for you?
Yes, please.
It's totally yes, please. Thank you.
So you pour for both of us.
Can I start this side?
Yeah. Thank you.
Sorry, now I'm busy with video.
Oh, this is nice. I look so plain. My gosh, can't wait to get ready.
Cause the light's just around the corner. There's ways to go, ways to leave. Been thinking about them all. Cause life's too hard, life's too mean. But I can't just jump and fall. No matter how much pain I'm in, I won't back down. Gotta think, can't give in. Changes will come.
Hi guys, we've arrived. Say hi, Tata. Hi. That's the whole group for the weekend. We are Rebasadi. What is it? Weekend bubbles. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Bottomless bubbly weekend getaway. That's what we're doing. We just arrived. Guys, it is stunning. Oh my gosh. Welcome drinks. I am here to Paula. I'm here to relax. It is around about just after 5 p.m. It's very chilly. You can tell that it's winter. Well, it's not really winter yet, but it's chilly. We have started. This place is amazing. Just imagine if it was in the summer. I am drinking a Steenberg wine. This house is amazing. I haven't yet been allocated our room, so I will show you our room as soon as we've been allocated it. But yeah, I'll catch up with you when I show you the room inside. I'm heading to our room. We are room number 4. Oh my gosh. Let me show you from this corner. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Wow. Oh my gosh. Lalela. Oh, we've got a his and hers and a shower, a big shower. Oh, we even have 2 showers. No, this is a toilet. That's a toilet. I think this is just extra cupboard space. I love the fact that we have a his and hers. Wow. Beautiful. And if you go outside, is this open? It's open. Oh my gosh. Good morning. Woo. Can you imagine? I'm definitely excited. Welcome to relaxation. Welcome to the bush. I am. So now we're going to get ready for dinner, which is at 7. I am in awe. Oh, just everything is beautiful.
The light's just around that corner. Life must go on. What won't kill me will make me
Yeah, she went in already. Where's the sign? There's nothing that says welcome to elephants.
Probably cooking.
Oh.
I'm sure they'll understand. Guys,
Do we touch this thing?
Yeah.
Oh. Remain behind the sign. Oh, the elephants are crossing. Nah. Good morning, guys. Day 2, it's Saturday. We are here to see the elephants. Morning. Good, how are you? Good. It's a beautiful day. Wow, I'll have to tell you a story about the gravel road. Girl, when you come here, make sure you nali 4x4 because your little car, a normal standard car, is not going to make it if you're going to Mabalingwe. That's where we're staying. I don't know if I did mention where we're staying, but that's where we're staying. No, girl, it's called Morning Dew. Guys, we're outside. My pastor said we don't have to wear mask outside. Look at the majestic elephants.
Not splashes like you.
Hips. Oh my gosh.
Bela, that's Bela, your
Kanuga.
The two of them is Bela and Zambizi. The next one is Zambizi. So they're born now. You can step a fraction closer. You can step a fraction. There we go. And Madame asked him, Musina, touch your left ear.
Musina, touch your left ear.
Ask her, touch your right ear.
Messina, touch your right ear.
Siri, like.
Musina, touch your right foot.
Musina, touch your right foot.
Hello.
There we go. That's a nice.
Oh, it feels funny.
Yo, please go ahead. Please go. Musina, take it.
Good job, baby.
There we go. Well done.
Smile over here, Laham.
There we go.
Give all the food that we have, all the food. Okay, do this, touch it.
There we go. Well done.
Guys, we're back to the lodge called Gweda Lodge. Prepping for a bride. Wow. Today we're doing bottomless Graham back. Oh, welcome back. Guys, it's 5 o'clock, nearly 5 o'clock, later on in the day, and we're just chilling. I am getting a hubbly stove ready. That's the stove that's the hubbly coal that's getting ready. It's really been a lovely day. It's literally bottomless bubbles right now, and much. these are not only the only ones. There's still like 12 bottles that we haven't yet opened. It's been a great day. Yeah, that's the only update I can give. I mean, we've really been chilling, drinking. Earlier on, as you saw, we did an elephant interaction that was really once in a lifetime experience. I really enjoyed that. Yeah, I will catch up with you a bit later. Good morning. It is Sunday. It's like literally 6:45 in the morning. We're going on a game drive. It is so cold. Oh my god. The ladies are up. Everybody's looking amazing.
The ladies are up, the booties are out.
Yes. Oh my gosh. I nearly did not want to wake up. I nearly said, oh, just leave me. But glad I just sucked it up. Momo. Let's see what the game drive has to offer. Hello. Hello. Suma. They have a what back?
Also keep the sloping back.
Oh.
Can actually nip you. They nipped me through the fence once.
Ouch.
So your hyena is very interesting. So I
Hello.
guess you guys heard the rumor that an hyena can choose his sex at birth.
I didn't
is
know
not
that.
True. That's a rumor. Because the female is born with something called a pseudopenis. So in other words, it looks like she looks like a male because
Hello, honey.
Oh, they separated. No, the guys are oh,
Umshwalense.
hello, kitty.
You're so far, cheater. Yo.
hello, sweetie. How about home? Sounds like a vampire.
He's a king.
Yeah, exactly.
He's eating. Yeah.
Right guys, so this is Rocky, also named after another famous boxer.
And just like that, I am home. It's currently 5:25 on a Sunday, and I literally just got home. What a great weekend. I spent it with a group of 13 other great women. It was really lovely interacting with various women for the entire weekend. Really building new friendships, getting to know how different friendship dynamics work, learning from other women, being inspired by other women. It was really a lovely weekend. Thank you to Ribasadi for this great get together. This was a bubbly breakaway. No, let me rephrase. This was a bottomless bubbly getaway weekend, and top tier. What I can say is that if it happens again, I would definitely join them again. And don't be worried about traveling by yourself. You will meet other great people, and it also teaches you to make new friendships. Oh, sorry, I thought I heard something on my door. I thought somebody was knocking. It teaches you to be open to new experiences, get to know different people. I mean, even if you don't make friendships out of this, you've learned, you've met somebody new, you've grown your network, and this is really what it's all about, to potentially grow your network, make new friends, and really grow and help each other. Yeah. This morning's experience was a game drive. I think I first said to you that I was going to a game drive. Oh my gosh, it was so cold. I have never experienced the amount of cold that I experienced this morning. We aborted mission very quickly. Yet, it was cold, and obviously because of that, it was that cold. The animals, I'm sure, are in the middle of the bush trying to get warmth, so we really didn't see anything. That's why we ended up going to the animal park. Can I call it that? An animal park, animal sanctuary. This is a place where they take care of rescued wildlife. Wildlife that is endangered, wildlife that is that was previously in a harmful, what can I say? Can I say it's like the SPCA for wildlife? That's what that is. And we interacted with lions. Oh my gosh, there was this aggressive lion. If there was no fence between us and that lion, we would have literally been eaten by this damn lion. I'm going to put a clip of this lion. It charged at us. It was roaring. It was aggressive from the moment that we laid eyes on it. Yeah, but other than that, it was really a lovely experience getting to see the various wild animals, and the reservation. I don't know what you call it. The sanctuary, reservation, whatever, is big. So the animals do have ability to roam free depending on the enclosures that they are in. We saw a leopard, we saw cheetahs, white tiger, a Siberian tiger, lions. I forgot the different lions, what they're called, but we saw lions, hyenas, wild dogs. I forgot this other type of cat. And yeah, I think that's all I can remember. Or in a crocodile. That's really all I can remember. And then in and around the reserve, as we were like traveling for our own things, we saw other game, buck, kudu, zebras, giraffes. Really lovely place. We were at Mabalingwe, inside Mabalingwe. We were in a private game lodge called Gweda Lodge. Oh goodness. Okay, but yeah, I mean, truly, really lovely experience. Thank you to the ladies for organizing this event, and hopefully we'll join on the next one. And thank you very much for watching. I'm going to end off this week's vlog here. Hopefully this vlog is not too long, and I hope that you did enjoy the video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe so that we can continue to grow this channel. And I will see you on the next one. Hugs and kisses. Bye, everybody.